Yo, what's going on guys? In this video I'll show you guys how to get lower ping in FORTNITE or any other game in general. Please keep in mind that the most important factor for your ping is your location. The further you are from FORTNITE servers, the higher the ping you'll get. So keep that in mind guys, and let's get into this tutorial. First, you have to download DNS Jumper from the official website. Go to your browser, search for DNS Jumper, go to the first link and download this app from the official website. After downloading it, open it up. Now on the left corner of the app, you can see the option Fastest DNS Server. Click on that and now click on Start DNS Test. Now this app will test latency to every possible public DNS in your area. After the test is finished, you can save which DNS server is best for you. And now what we're gonna do is hit Apply DNS Server. We clicked onto it and heard the confirmation sound that this DNS has been successfully applied to a network. Now you can close this app and uninstall it. You don't have to run it 24/7 in the background. For the next step, I have given some commands and description. Copy those commands and paste them into a notepad. Right click, go to new and create a text document. Name it Clear Network. Open it up and paste the commands I have given in the description. After pasting them, go to File, hit Save. Now, right click on the text document that you just created, rename it and change the file extension to .bat. This will create a bat file for the commands to run. Then, right click on it, hit Run as Administrator and hit Yes. This command will easily reset your TCP and IP address, flush DNS or reset WinSA. By following this usual process, you can reset and renew your Windows 10 network connection. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye. Peace.